Guys, I learned English just in 15 days. But the real challenge now starts. Training my tongue. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jharna and this is day 18 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. And today I'm going to train my tongue. It's training time of my tongue. I'm going to train my tongue. Because I learned basic English, I can speak, but speaking fast and clear is not easy things. It's many things to improve and to improve our pronunciation and speaking clearly. Yes, I'm going to train my tongue for my pronunciation improvement. As you can see, my pronunciation is not clear. That's why, without further delay, I'm going to train my tongue. This is a cast pen of my daughter. I will use this cast pen for my tongue twister. Okay, first you have to take a pen or pencil and keep it in your mouth first. Okay, like this. And and start saying. If I'm keeping it in my mouth, we can't understand. Even I can't understand what I'm saying, and you can't also understand what I'm saying. That's why I said everything before I doing this exercise, so that you can understand what I'm going to say. Right? It's time to train my tongue. Okay, and this is very simple word, but I am facing some problem while speaking. Trained tongue. It is very difficult to say, right? And those people will understand what I'm saying who faced this type of a problem. Okay, it's time to train my tongue and just look at me. Just watch this video till the end. You can understand what I'm going to say and why it is very important for clear English speaking fast and improve pronunciation. Right? Keep open or pencil in your mouth and start saying Rail lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater, bitter, big bog, bit the bitter. Okay, I'm going to say because maybe we can't understand what I'm going to say. Keeping after keeping this pen in my mouth, that's why I tell before all things what I'm going to say. Okay, look at me and just notice what I'm saying. Okay, you breathe in your mouth and start saying rail lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door. The eater's bitter, big bog, big dog bitter. And say it again. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter, the big bog, big dog bitter. You have to say one, two to three times. After that, you have to remove this pen or pencil from your mouth. Then start saying little bit of faster. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter, big bog, big top beetle. Then once again you can keep it pills in your pen in your mouth. Then you can start saying little bit of faster than before. Okay. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter, big bog, big top beetle. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter, big bog, big top beetle. Then keep it in from your mouth and start saying little bit of faster than before. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy does door, eater bitter, big bog, big dog, bitter. Then you have to notice your every pronunciation, every word. You can practice more. 5 minutes in a day is sufficient to train our tongue, and you can keep it in your mouth. You can keep a pencil or pen in your mouth. You can start reading small paragraph from your reading book or from newspaper. I think it is the easy way to improve our pronunciation and clear voice to speaking clear. It is very easy way. I will train my tongue every day, then I will share my experience. And that's all for today's video, friends. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for watching more learning joining English speaking challenge with me. Thank you for watching.